English grammar example practice part 10. Write the answers of the following. Identify tense, add question tag and change the voice. Look at the sentence. Amol was driving a car. The answer of this sentence. The tense is past continuous or imperfect tense. The add question tag. Amol was driving a car. Wasn't he question mark, and they change the voice of the sentence. A car was being driven by Amol. We can write its answer in three ways. It is very useful for 10th and 12th class students for the more and more practice from the one sentence. Here are some examples. Take a screenshot of all examples, write in your notebook and write its answer in three ways. It is useful for more practice and to make the perfect. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share with your friends.